Here are a few tips for you if you are looking to buy new construction. Number one, always have buyer representation with your own real estate agent. Don't just work directly with the model home salespeople, because they work for the builder and they're not going to be trying to get you a better deal. Number two, the builders often they offer these incentives and extra closing costs credits if you use their lender. If you shop around to different lenders or your preferred lender, share with them the different incentives that are being offered, and potentially they can be matched, and then you can work with someone that you know provides the guaranteed service that you need. Number three, be sure to have a home inspection. You always want a neutral third party going into the property to make sure that the construction was done properly. Your realtor attends with you and knows what to look for, because there are sometimes misses or corners cut with new construction. And we can see it and help you point it out and help advocate to get those things resolved before you move in.